Are you an investor or a speculator? Investing is defined as the process of exchanging money for assets that you can reasonably expect to increase in value over time, giving you a capital gain. Investors tend to focus on long-term incremental gains rather than massive gains over just a few weeks or months. They also typically use the company's financial health to make informed investing decisions. Investing is typically seen as a more conservative approach that's rooted in the tangible success of a company. It's not just about where the price of the asset will be in a couple of months. Famous investors include Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch. Speculating, on the other hand, is buying assets with the hope of getting substantial gains, often in a very short time period. Speculators tend to be hyper-focused on the price of an asset and less so on the underlying company's competitive position, future success, and productivity. They typically rely more on price movements and technical charts rather than the analysis of strengths of a business. Famous speculators include Jesse Livermore or George Soros. Which approach do you use? Let me know in the comments.